So Eric and I are in Tallahassee. We're here with Operation BBQ Relief, and it's insane.
This will hold about 144 butts, which will feed roughly around 3,500 people. It takes quite a team to get it loaded.
I can't believe how much food are we actually doing?
I can't tell you the numbers. I think this morning before 7 a.m. we had finished cooking.
Ooh, good morning. So it is about 3:30 and no time for sleep. They have tons and tons of barbecue going on. They're actually pulling off the butts. They've been going all day, and you just got to keep the food going. These guys are no joke. They pump out the food. They see an area that's in need. If you guys haven't checked out Operation BBQ Relief, go check out their website. I'm exhausted. I'll put the link in the description. I'm gonna go film some more barbecue at 3 in the morning.
So it's 3:30 a.m. We got about 700 butts coming off the pits. We've been going for about 7 days straight now, but we just got to keep it going. Got to keep getting those meals out. Got to have 9,000 out by 8 o'clock this morning. Got a great group. As soon as they get in, they roll in about 5. We start processing about 6.
Pork butts are donezo. This is full contact barbecue right now. All right, no knives, it's too freaking early. This is where accidents happen. So we're just out here pulling H-bones and getting it all ready in these coolers. So you know you're good and done when that bone starts protruding and you can just hold on and let gravity do the work. The horn there, and that's pretty. It's funny, we'd never met each other. It takes us coming down to Tallahassee, Florida to realize we live, what, 10 minutes away from each other?
15.
Got just under 1,000 pork butts that everybody else, when they wake up in a couple hours, is going to start chopping and get them shipped off to where they need to go.
So it's basically everyone getting together from all different parts of the country, just filling a need, and the need is food. And you know, not all of us can fix houses, not all of us can rebuild bridges, but some of us know how to make food.
Even if they don't know.
Mostly me. I wasn't talking about Eric.
Yeah, I definitely don't know how to make food, but I'll wash a mean dish.
It's true. It's true. So we're gonna go cook a ton of barbecue and go feed some people.
You know, I feel like coming down here and feeding folks in need just gives me that warm, fuzzy feeling in my heart that America needs a whole lot more of.
It's so reassuring to be around people who just lose themselves in service to others.
I mean, just look at it. Look how everyone out here is coming together. They're working together. It's a cohesive unit.
You're wondering how I can be more involved. I mean, it's just as simple as packing up and coming. When you get here and you go out to that field and you see these people and the need they have, the ones that hadn't eaten for 4 days, they get that first hot meal, you'll know your why right away.